Mic check, sound check, sound check. Hello, check, sound check. This is 2 inches, 2 inches, around 6 inches. Estimate 6 inches, around 1 foot, 1 foot, 1 foot, around um, 2 feet, 2 feet, far distance. Hello, this is it's how it sounds on far distance. Far distance. Hello. Okay, let's go nearer. Let's go nearer. The closest one is 2 inches, around 6 inches. All right. Testing, sound check, sound check, sound check. Hello. This is the testing. Hello, sound check. Normal distance. Hello, sound check. Sound check, sound check. All right. Testing is done. Testing is done. All right. Hello, sound check, sound check. Input is adjusted. Full. Input is adjusted and full, so it can capture the sound directly. This is the compact version of the app, and right now I'm testing it. And for the record from screen on Filmora, this is the sound that you're getting from this Shure. All right, as we can see on the screen, um, this is the default setting. Gain is auto level, monitor mix is 100%, tone is natural, reverb off, denoiser and popper stopper is on, and high pass filter is off, and LEDs is live. All right. So now let me try at this distance. It's around the nearest you can get. Let's say it's like 3 inches, like 6 inches, and it's far, like about a feet, about 12 inches. But you'll notice that the gain is it still sound the same even if I'm far, because the auto gain is in the gain is set in auto level. So let's try to move this around a bit. Let's try to turn this off. So this is what will happen. Okay. Hey, hello sec. All right. There's a gain lock too. So I don't know if you can hear me, but I think it's quiet. So I'm gonna turn it back on. All right, here we go. Hello, sound check. Okay, here. So gain is auto level again. Monitor mix is you can lower this down the mic level or a playback level. Oh, all right. Okay. Then the next is tone. So it's natural. It's just in the middle. If you would like to adjust this one, it will get darker and darker, like from the radio sound. Okay, so let's set it to the darkest. So this is like the podcasting sound with a thick voice. All right, let's go to the opposite end. Let's try to make it a little bright. So 50% bright will be sounding like this. 80% and the brightest one. All right, it depends on how you wanna use it. So for now, I'm using natural. All right, so reverb. Let's see. Okay, reverb on output. Hello, hello. Check, sound check. So apply to direct monitoring. Hello, sound check. All right, we got some reverb. So you can use studio. Okay, hello. Type intensity. Intensity. Hello. We can use some plate. Hey, check. Sound check. Hello. Hey, sound check. And the hall. So it's up to you if you want to use this one. Yeah. Yeah, all right. Okay, so you can just really adjust this one. So let's turn it off back. So real-time denoiser. So it will like removes unwanted background noise. Should be turned off for singing or acoustic instruments. So let's read the reverb. So it will just add a sense of space and ambience to your audio. Studio provides control and clear reverberation. Plate simulates metal vibrations, and hall replicates spacious concert hall. So the popper stopper will reduce plosives with a loud pop that occurs with certain consonants, optimized for speech and best turned off for instruments. Okay, hello, check, sound check, sound check. Hey, so should be turned off for singing or acoustic instruments. High pass filter. So you can turn this off. You can let's roll to 75 hertz and 150 hertz. All right. So you can choose the option. But for now, I'm gonna make this 75 hertz. Then the LEDs are live. You can see the color right here. Here, all right. So you can make it pulsing. Hello, solid. Hello, hey. So it doesn't really pulsing. Hello, hello. Check. Sound check. All right. So let's make it live. So the brightness will be low, medium, high, and maximum. So, all right. So I'll just choose medium. All right. So you can set the color to default, however you want. All right. Here we go. I don't know it didn't change, but okay. Oh, here. So default, you can use the seaside. Hey, check. Hey, check. Okay, space will turn to the color purple. And fruity. All right, fruity. You see the color is changing. Color is changing. All right. So I'm gonna choose the default. You can do custom too if you want. So with however color you wanna like. But I'm gonna cancel that one. So I'll just choose the default option. All right. This is for setting in the compact mode of the motive mix. All right. So we can do like sound check. All right. There we go. So we can press it and we can test it. Okay, so auto level mode is on. So we can start recording to begin. Hello, sound check. Testing mic, Shure MV7 Plus. Shure MV7 Plus. So ambient noise is minimal, ready to record. So let's hear it. Hello, sound check. Testing mic, Shure MV7 Plus. Shure MV7 Plus. Alright, it's good to go. So it's already turning on. But if you want to record, you have to choose the source. It will appear in here. And if you want to start record, you can start recording. So okay, let's do it. Okay, so it will let you choose how do you want to save your file. So I'm gonna choose the main output only. So you can also choose a different library. So you can always change it later. So right here. Okay, so let's start recording. All right, this is a sound check. Shure MV7 Plus podcasting microphone. Sound check, sound check, sound check. So it is already set earlier. So the auto gain is on. So it's here. Okay, it doesn't really change that much. So this is the test. All right, I'm gonna press done and let's see in the folder. All right. Okay. So you can right here. So this is the latest recording that we have. So I'm gonna play back. All right, this is a sound check. Shure MV7 Plus podcasting microphone. Sound check, sound check, sound check. So it is already set earlier. So the auto gain is on. So it's here. Okay, it doesn't really change that much. So this is the test. All right, I'm gonna press done and let's see in the folder. All right. All right, if you wanna check on the folder, you can right click here, then press show in the folder. Show in folder, so it will appear right here. So you can play back it through. All right, this is sound check. Shure MV7 Plus. But all right, so here that's how we do it. All right, when you are in the full mode, and if you wanna check the settings again, so you can click this button, the device settings, then it will show up. So it will appear like the compact mode. So you can adjust your settings right here. Then another feature, it's called mute lock. So this is how it works. If you unlock it, then you accept, because the mute button here is just pressing the LED. Okay, I'm gonna press it. So you've heard me. There's no sound. The reason why you wanna choose this one, mute lock, it's because sometimes when you're moving around and you accidentally touch this one, so it will turn mute, and all of a sudden your recording wasn't recorded. So the thing is, it's an important feature. All right. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna press it again and again. So it turns red, but the sound is still going on. It didn't mute. So you see, this is a great product. All right, I hope it will be very helpful to you, and I find it really helpful. So I'm gonna turn this on. this point, I would like to thank you very much for watching until the end of this video. As you can see, it's really worth it, worth for the price. It's a worth it investment. So as you can see, I'm kind of far from the mic, but it still sounds rocking solid. So I hope this was helpful to you. You find something good out of it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.